town of Peshtigo, Wisconsin. Was that? Oh boy.
That's all you can find.
Oh boy.
That's why I have to laugh.
They don't have a nice church or anything like that?
Well, I don't know about it.
Peshtigo Cafe. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's a little church over there. So we can drive by and you can turn right over here. This is Peshtigo, people. Peshtigo, Wisconsin. Nice little town. Basically, very little town.
It's actually the fire museum now.
Is that a fire? Oh my goodness. You can make a ride probably too.
Okay.
Pretty goldy day here. But they got to take 41.
No, we'll keep this to Ocano. You want to take Ocano anyway?
Sure, yep.
Let's take the back way.
So there's really no downtown here in Peshtigo, people. It's just these little streets and that's all it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video here at Jessica in Wisconsin. Thank you for watching us. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. This is Peshtigo, Wisconsin. Little town.
It certainly is. It always has been. This town never grew, never expanded. In fact, industry left.
Really?
Yeah. Well, like I said, the big furniture place, Paul's was huge. It was a major business in this area.